Hi there, Craig here from Tier-One, and today I'd like to introduce you to a new product we're just about to bring to market. Now, for a while we've had certain customers approaching us who've got the Spartan adapter inside their rifle stock. And what they're wanting to do is have the option to fit non-Spartan related items into there. So what we've come up with here is a Picatinny adapter to fit inside the Spartan adapter and basically make it a more versatile system. So now you can use Picatinny accessories, high-end bipods, lights, torches, etc. So basically all you do with it, get the rail, bob it in there, tighten it up, decent tighten there so it locks in position, will not move then. And then put your other accessory on there, get that, what we do. And there you go. Fully converted to Picatinny now in very, very quick space of time. So now what you can do, if you're using our bipod, very quick release anyway, just release it. You can put torch, laser, anything you'd like underneath there. We are looking at developing also an Arca version of this, just to further aid a bit of versatility there. So to remove it, again, slacken the central screw off, just proud of the top, quick knock, and you're straight out. It's as quick as that. And that's our new adapter for the Spartan system. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.